pilot, engineer, gunner. Hey, everybody loved to be a pilot. They made some changes. Let's go hop on.
Friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Made the jump to hyperspace. And good luck. This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. You're getting warmed up. Gunners, take out those scouts. Nice shot, gunners. Enough practice. We're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. Plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Left engineer. Watch the home beacons. Doesn't work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Endor. Let's see what we find. Grogu, buckle up. Make the jump to light speed. The Death Star. Our bounty's trying to hide. Pilots and the wreckage would be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. They clocked us. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Engineers, grab the crates with your tractor beam. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target. Engineers, how many crates do we have? Stay off the comms, Ohnaka. You're not gonna make it. Let pilot hit the boosters. Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedo. Now. Good shot. Let's head out before there's any more surprises. Make the jump to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to you and your friends. Unloading crates now. Respectable haul. To the right buyer, we can fetch a very good price. Good work, crew. Grogu and I will hand over the pirate to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Not you, Hondo. The kid. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hub.
All right, y'all, hope you had a great time riding Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run with me out here at Disney's Hollywood Studios at Black Spire Outpost, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Now, I'm all for the changes. The changes were major. Love the changes they made to the ride. I'm excited about it. I'm happy about all of them. This time, went to Endor. Next time, who knows? Coruscant maybe? We'll find out. Stay tuned. Appreciate y'all following along. Get out to Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run and all the new changes they just made here in 2026. Peace.